So this is a series to improve the strength of the back extension muscles, so the erector spinae muscles, and good control of using the glutes as the primary muscle to work first. It also trains the shoulders to work in at full arc as well. So it's an active range of motion, form of stretching and strengthening at the same time. So there's a couple of different layers I'll go through. So first of all is you're laying your chin face down, and I'm squeezing my butt and pressing my pelvis into the table or the ground. So the way you can know if you're doing the right thing is you pop your thumb in the center of your backside, and then as you squeeze your butt, you want to feel like you're pushing your thumbs out with your butt muscles. So you feel that first. So what that does, it prevents your sacrum from going into too much of an arch, which then when you lift your back makes your lower back go into a massive arch. And this is a problem for a lot of people. So when I squeeze my butt, it makes my pelvis go into a posterior tilt, the sacrum to come out of too much extension. And then from here, so butt clenched, keeping my feet on the ground for now, I'm just extending up this way, and I'm bringing my shoulder blades together and lifting the arms off too, so you're kind of like a Superman here. Holding that for about 5 seconds, coming back down, squeeze the butt, come up through the back muscles, be aware of the back muscles, squeeze the shoulder blades together, lift the arms, so it's the lats, the scapular tractus is involved, hold for 5 seconds, come back down. So 10 reps of that is a good start. Where we can go from here, we can start adding the shoulders into the equation too. So squeezing the butt, getting the back extensors to come up, draw the shoulder blades together, arms up, coming out. Keep your arms as high as you can from the ground. Start to turn over, thumbs to the roof here. Keep the arms as high as you can, thumbs to the roof, start to turn over as if you're putting the back of your hand on your back without touching your back if you can. And then the same again. Now you're doing at least 5 reps of this, about this speed. Not going into pain, going into stiffness but not pain with the shoulders. Keeping my butt still clenched. So that's the second level. Third level is lifting the legs as well and going into more extension as well. So some people shouldn't go into too much extension when they're first coming out of an acute phase or even a subacute phase. So they'd be more likely better to be on a Roman chair or a back extension machine and just clenching the butt and going to neutral. So their legs are in line with their backside. Legs are in line with their spine this way. This is different, so we're going into a lot of extension here. So we're clenching the butt, get that first, then lifting the arms back off, lifting the legs off, so I'm squeezing my butt even harder to lift my legs off, so like a parachuter. And we're doing the same arm motion again, keeping the legs high, the back high, arms high. Going for at least 5 reps. If we go to 10, is even better. And the rotation of the arm is important, so pay attention to that. So I'm using my thumbs to show which direction the arm's rotating. This also can just be lifting the legs first, then the arms. Can be just extending with the legs only, but I'm controlling the pelvis first. So I'll squeeze down, lift legs, or I can do them both at the same time. So squeeze the pelvis, butt, legs back together. So a few different variations, and this can be done every day. Every second day is okay as well.